scripture quick little Taylor. I call Dearborn, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up a pressure copper and a water heater. We got Scrapper Pep here, and of course Scrapper Jackson, of course Scrapper with the truck that we're gonna be using today, no trailer today. Okay, and we're also gonna be waiting. Hey Jesus, thank you for the day, thank you for everything, and thank you for iPads, and thank you for Pep Scrap. Thanks.
Ooh, thank you from the chicken.
Oh, it's mellow.
So, first of all, it started out that we needed a new hot water tank. So, I called you and asked you if you wanted a hot water tank.
So yes.
Then my neighbor came over with my other neighbor to carry out the hot water tank. And I told them a story about you, Scrapper Jack. And next thing I know, all my neighbors come over here and look. We're bringing all this stuff for you, Jazz. Copper. Come look, come look. Aluminum. All this stuff, my neighbors. Once they heard about Scrapper Jack, they brought all this. Hey there.
So we got all these wires, for basically, money and more stuff. So we got that. That's a good load that we like. We'll be taking that to the scrapyard next Friday. See how I'm kind of cleaning up.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Kim, Kevin, and neighbors.
A bunch of these.
Balance.
We got balances. I'm gonna count how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 balances. We got a bunch of this. We got all this. It's all copper, so probably worth 20 pounds.